According to CDNet Korea and Engadget, Samsung is reportedly working on a Windows 10 computer that is going to come with a Samsung Exynos ARM processor and AMD Radeon graphics. That's right, with an Exynos processor. Those are Samsung's mobile processors, so it's going to be a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8CX processor rival, probably with more GPU power, although it's going to be custom made. We do not have much information yet. All we know is that it's going to be in the third quarter of this year. Samsung is going to provide all of the components like the display, RAM, 3D NAND, storage, battery, and every other component. It's just going to have AMD graphics. I don't know about you guys, but all of this sounds very interesting. What do you guys think? This was Mr. TikTok. Until next time, if you like our video, please subscribe. Have a nice day.